beyond the playbooks, ano yung mga na-encounter nyo na? Yung momentum and swing playbook na natapos nyo na ba?
Yung momentum pa lang, sir, yung natapos ko.
Same din, momentum lang.
Okay, sige. Actually, yung momentum, yun naman talaga yung parang core system natin eh. So halos lahat ng trades natin in the US market revolves around this playbook eh, yung momentum playbook. So if you remember, 'di ba yung playbook natin talagang focused on looking at the market environment first, tapos medyo rigorous din yung screening process, and then may mga specific cycles lang tayong pinipili, no? Specifically sa market, yung indices natin and yung underlying index niya, at the same time yung mismong stock na tinitignan natin, anong market cycle na ba siya. So tama ba? Do you remember that part in the lesson?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So mainly yung momentum setups or yung momentum playbook natin revolves around the two market cycles, 'di ba? It's either you're buying the transition to a markup phase dyan, or you're trading the markup phase. Yung whole markup phase, yung base breakouts or yung pullback. So, yun yung main idea, 'di ba? Yun yung main idea behind the momentum playbook. So
Yes.
actually, yung mga current trades natin, ganun din. Doon din naka-focus. So, yun yung bread and butter ko talaga in the US market. Mainly mga earnings related plays or yung mga fresh breakouts from multi-month basis. For example, to GE Vernova. Magbigay ako ng mga trade ideas and trade dissections. So recently, nag-take profit tayo with GE Vernova. So recently IPO'd stock yan. So halos wala pang isang taon. I'm not sure if IPO to or change name or whatever, pero bottom line, this is the chart. It's at an all-time high. Na-spot ko to during this period. Nung nagko-coil siya after this multi-month breakout. So, di ba, ang criteria natin, we trade momentum plays on markup phases. So, clear as day naman na markup phase to, di ba? Di ba?
Yes.
Sa all-time high, wala ka masyadong ipit. Ang kalaban na lang ng presyo para umangat, profit takers. So, during this period, nakita ko yan, yung continuation pattern na to, no? So, very simple lang siya. Box pattern. Diba? Box pattern, prices above the 10, the 20, 50, and 100-day moving average, where all moving averages are trending upward. Yung RSI mo above the RSI MA. So, all clear, di ba? Blue skies. Malinis na trade siya na i-take. So, sa lower time frame, doon ko in-incorporate yung KCBB framework. So, in the lower time frame, may nakita tayong BB squeeze dito. So, not too evident na BB squeeze siya kasi hindi pa siya tipong KCBB eclipse, di ba? Pero you have a clear squeeze, di ba? At saka yung continuation pattern na yan. So, I bought this in anticipation. Yung $200 area na yan. So, another thing, yung mga momentum plays natin focuses on high price stocks. Hindi ko lang na-include. I'm not sure if na-include ko dun sa current version. Pero the idea behind momentum plays is you focus on high price stocks. Ibig sabihin, mas preferred natin mag-trade ng momentum plays sa mga stocks na above $20. Bakit? Kasi yung mga stocks na above $20, kadalasan, yung mga bumibili niyan, mga institutions, mga hedge funds talaga. Kumbaga, may institutional backing. 'Di ba, kadalasan yung mga low price stocks, ang mga bumibili lang yan mga retailers eh. 'Di ba? Retailers. So ang gusto mo, may retailers, may institutions, dalawa yung naglalaro. And yung institutions, mas malaki yung pera nila. Yan, anyway, mabalik tayo dito sa technicals. So binili ko siya dyan. I've set my stops at around 193. Actually, tighter stops yan at around 196. Itong drawing na to is specific on my conservative portfolio. Pero bottom line, it was a quick 2.8:1 trade, no? Halos ilang araw lang yan. Halos dalawang araw lang tong trade na to. So binili ko siya at around this period. So 3-day play siya. So it's a 2.8:1 reward risk trade. So I gained around 1.8 USD, 1,800 USD. So my risk was around 500 or around $400 in this trade. So may other trades halos ganun din. Doon din nag-revolve.